Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's online session, we are going to continue to look at the lesson Bilasya Vani Na Kadapi Me Shruta. I have never heard the voice of the cave. In the first part of the story, we have seen that there was a lion named Kharanakharaha who was very hungry and was in search of food. He found an empty cave and decided to hide himself in it. He thought that some animal would return to the cave and he could easily kill it. But the owner of the cave was a very smart jackal named Dadipuchchaha. He could figure out that there was a lion in his cave just by seeing his footprints leading into the cave. What happened after that is what we are going to learn in today's session. So let's get started.
Here is the Gadyanshaha. I'll read it out and we'll also discuss the words with Sandhihi and Sanyogaha. Shrugalaha achintayat aho vinashtosmi nunam asmin bile simhaha asti iti tarkayami tat kinkarvani evam vichintya durasthaha ravam kartum arabdhaha bho bil kinnasmarasi यन्मया त्वया सह समयः कृतोऽस्ति यत् यदाहं बाह्यतः प्रत्यागमिष्यामि तदा त्वं माम् आकारयिष्यसि यदि त्वं मां न आह्वयसि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति. Now I am going to mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are vinashtosmi, अस्तीति, कर्तुमारब्धः, यन्मया, कृतोऽस्ति, यदाहं, and pratyagamishyami. Now let's see the vichhedah of these words. Vinashtosmi, the vichhedah is vinashtah plus asmi. Astiti, the resolution is asti plus iti. It's the example of dirgha sandhihi. The next word kartumarabdhaha is the example of sanyogaha and the resolution is kartum plus arabdhaha. The next one is yanmaya and the resolution is yat plus maya. Krutosti, the vichhedah is krutah plus asti. Yadaham, the resolution is yada plus aham. It's the example of dirgha sandhihi. And pratyagamishyami, the vichhedah is prati plus agamishyami. It's the example of yan sandhihi. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words. Students, the first part of this Gadyanshaha is already seen by us. But I am going to repeat it as it is connected with the next part of the story. Shrugalaha achintayat, the jackal thought, aho vinashtosmi, oh, I am killed. Nunam asmin bile simhaha astiti tarkayami. I think there is definitely a lion in this cave. Tat kinkarvani, then what should I do? Evam vichintya durasthaha ravam kartum arabdhaha. Evam means so or thus. Vichintya, thinking. Vichintya is the example of lyap pratyay form. Vi upsargah plus chinta dhatuhu plus lyap pratyayah. Evam vichintya, thinking so. Durasthaha, from afar. Ravam kartum arabdhaha. Ravam, noise or sound. Kartum, to make. Arabdhaha, started. Kartum is the example of tumun pratyay form. Kru dhatuhu plus tumun pratyayah. Thinking so, he started making a noise from afar. Bhobil, kinnasmarasi. Bhobil, O cave. Kinnasmarasi, O cave, don't you remember? Yanmaya tvaya sah samayah krutosти. Yanmaya is the example of sandhi and the resolution is yat plus maya. Yat means that. Maya is used in the sense of I. Tvaya sah with you. Samayah agreement. Krutosti have made. Don't you remember that I have made an agreement with you? Yat yadaham bahyatah pratyagamishyami tada tvam mam akarayishyasi. Yat that. Yada when. Bahyatah from outside. Pratyagamishyami I'll come back, I'll return. Tada then tvam mam akarayishyasi. You will call me or you will invite me. O cave, don't you remember that I have made an agreement with you that you will call me whenever I'll come back from outside. Pratyagamishyami, this form has two upsargas, prati plus a plus gam gaccha dhatuhu. यदि त्वं मां न आह्वयसि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति. यदि if मां न आह्वयसि, if you don't call me, if you are not going to invite me, तर्हि then अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि. द्वितीयं बिलं another cave. यास्यामि I'll go. If you are not going to call me, then I'll go to another cave.
So students, after seeing the translation, you must have understood why the jackal is called a smart and clever animal. Dadipuchchaha wanted to find out whether the lion was there in his cave. So he played a trick. Did the lion fall for his trick? You will come to know about it when we will see the next Gadyamshaha. Right now, I want to explain you one important rule of grammar. It is related to Upapad Vibhaktihi. Saha, this indeclinable, governs Trutiya Vibhaktihi. Saha means with. In a sentence, a word which is used before Saha should always be in Trutiya. For example, here in the Gadyamshaha, Tvaya Saha, the word Tvaya, which is the form of Yushmat pronoun, is used in Tritiya because Saha governs Tritiya Vibhaktihi. I hope you have got it. Now let's move on to the Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Durasthaha is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Shrugalah. The word Dvitiyam is the Visheshanam of the word Bilam. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Students, here some Paryaya Padani are given in red font because we have already seen them in the previous part. Jambukaha, the Paryaya Padam is Shrugalah. Vanarajaha athva Mrugendraha, the Paryaya Padam is Simhaha. And Chintayami, the Paryaya Padam is Tarkayami. Dhvanim means sound or noise, and the Paryaya Padam is Ravam. Gamishyami means I will go, and the Paryaya Padam is Yasyami. Viloma Padani. Samipasthaha, the one who is nearby, who is near to us. Durasthaha is the Vilomapadam. Vina, without. The Vilomapadam is Saha. Ayasyami athva Agamishyami means I will come, and the Vilomapadam is Yasyami.
So here ends the explanation of the given Gadyamshaha. I hope you have understood it, and I also assume that you have jotted down all the important points which are being discussed here. Now let's move on to the next Gadyamshaha.
Agrimaha Gadyanshaha. I'll read it out. अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंहः अचिन्तयत् नूनमेषा गुहा स्वामिनः सदा समाह्वानं करोति परन्तु मद्भयात् न किञ्चित् वदति अथवा साध्विदम् उच्यते भयसन्त्रस्तमनसां हस्तपादादिकाः क्रियाः प्रवर्तन्तेन वाणी च वेपथुश्चाधिको भवेत्. Now, I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are etat shrutva, noonamesha, kinchit, sadvidam, hastapadadikaha and vepathuschadiko bhavet. Now let's see the vichchedah of these words. Etat shrutva, the dissolution is etat plus shrutva. Noonamesha is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is noonam plus esha. Kinchit, this is a sandhi and the dissolution is kim plus chit. Sadvidam, the vichchedah is sadhu plus idam. It's the example of yan sandhihi. Hastapadadikaha, hastapada plus adikaha. It's the example of dirgha sandhihi. Vepathuschadiko bhavet. Vepathuhu plus cha plus adhikah plus bhavet. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation. Atha etat shrutva simhah achintayat. Atha, then, etat shrutva, it's the example of sandhi and we have seen the resolution etat plus shrutva. Shrutva, hearing. Shrutva is the example of ktva pratyay form. Shru dhatuhu plus ktva pratyayah. Etat shrutva, on hearing this. Simhah achintayat, the lion thought. Noonamesha guha swaminah sada samahvanam karoti. Noonam, indeed, certainly. Esha guha, this cave. Swaminah, its master, owner. Sada, always. Samahvanam karoti, calls, invites. On hearing this, the lion thought, indeed, this cave always calls its owner. Parantu madbhayat na kinchit vadati. Parantu, but, madbhayat, being afraid of me, na kinchit vadati. Kinchit, anything. Na vadati, it's not speaking, it's not saying. But being afraid of me, it's not speaking anything. Athava sadvidam uchyate. Athava, or. Sadvidam uchyate, it is rightly said, or it is rightly said. Bhayasantrasta manasam hastapadadikaha kriyaha pravartantena vaणी च vepathuschadiko bhavet. Bhayasantrasta manasam, of the frightened people. Hastapadadikaha, of hands and feet. Kriyaha, activities. The activities of hands and feet. Na pravartante, don't work, do not take place. Vani cha, vani, speech, cha, and. The activities of hands and feet of those who are frightened, and even their speech, do not work properly. Vepathuschadiko bhavet. Vepathuhu, trembling. Adhikaha, more. And they tremble more. The activities of hands and feet of those who are frightened, and even their speech, do not work properly, and they tremble more. It means the hands and feet of those who are extremely scared stop working, and even they can't speak properly.
So students, this is an interesting verse which explains that what actually happens to our body when we get extremely scared or frightened. Our heart races, our palms sweat, our hands and legs start shaking or trembling, our mouth goes dry. We want to say something but the words don't come out of our mouth. All these are symptoms, or in other words we can say all these are the reactions of our body to fear. The lion thought that the cave was extremely scared of him as the lion was inside it, and that's why it couldn't answer or it couldn't invite its owner, its master, the jackal. This thought of the lion shows that he fell for the trick of the jackal. Now let's move on to the Visheshan Visheshyapadani from the given Gadyanshah.
Here are the Visheshan Visheshyapadani. Hastapadadikaha is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Kriyaha, and Adhikaha is the Visheshanam of the word Vepathuhu. Vepathuhu and Adhikaha, both the words are used in the form of Sandhi. Now let's see Paryayapadani and Vilomapadani from the given Gadyamshah. Paryayapadani. Akarnya means hearing, having heard, and the Paryayapadam is Shrutva. Nityam, always, the Paryayapadam is Sada. Bhashate means speaks or says, the Paryayapadam is Vadati. Vak means speech, and the Paryayapadam is Vani. And Kampanam means trembling, and the Paryayapadam is Vepathuhu. Vilomapadani. Kadachit, sometimes, the Vilomapadam is Sada, always. Nyunaha means less, and the Vilomapadam Adhikaha means more.
Here ends the explanation of this part of the story. I hope you have understood it. Now let me take you to the next part of the lesson.
Here is the next Gadyanshah. I'll read it out. Tadaham asya avvanam karomi. Evam sah bile pravishya me bhojam bhavishyati. Itham vicharya simhah sahasa shrugalasya avvanam akarot. In this part, there is one example of Sandhi and one example of Sanyogaha. The example of Sandhi is Tadaham and Sanyogaha is Avvana Makarot. The dissolution of the word Tadaham is Tat plus Aham, and of Avvana Makarot is Avvanam with Halantama plus Akarot. Now, let's see the meanings of the words. Tadaham asya avvanam karomi. Tat, then. Aham, I. Avvanam karomi. I'll call him. Asya is used for the jackal. So, I'll call him. Evam saha bile pravishya me bhojam bhavishyati. Evam, thus. Bile pravishya. Pravishya, entering the cave. Me bhojam bhavishyati. Bhojam, food. He will be my food. Thus, having entered the cave, he will be my food. Itham vicharya simhah sahasa shrugalasya avvanam akarot. Itham, thus. So, vicharya, thinking. Simhah, sahasa. Sahasa, suddenly. Shrugalasya avvanam akarot. Avvanam akarot, called. He suddenly called the jackal. Thinking so, the lion suddenly called the jackal. I hope you have understood the translation.
So students, we have reached the end of the presentation. In today's session, I have skipped the part of asking the questions based on the passages. But don't worry, you are going to get the worksheet. You will be able to solve the questions given there. Try to solve them. Keep on studying. We will meet again with the next part. Till then, Dhanyavadaha. Punah Milamaha.